Well guys, let's take a look at simple plugin that makes editing dimensions in your workspace much easier. The best part is that the plugin is free and anyone can download and integrate it into their pipeline right now. In return, I want to ask for your activity on this video and subscribing to my own Telegram channel where I will upload this add-on. Example 1. You are a game developer working with the game engine like Unreal Engine 5. For this, you need to press the second button, which will set the scene to the necessary parameters for working with the engine. But don't forget that Unreal Engine 5 uses a different coordinate system, so you will need to consider the different axis orientations. You simply need to change the object's direction by switching its front from -y to x, and when exporting, set the forward parameter to x and the up parameter to z axis. Example 2. You often work with files for 3D printing and you want to speed up the process of adjusting dimensions in your scene since it's not always convenient and can sometimes be forgotten. With a single button click, you can switch your scene to millimeters and get a more detailed grid for easier work with the small scales. Example 3. The last three buttons are very straightforward. Since many programs support different measurement system, you can manually set the required units, simplifying the interaction between Blender and other software. The most important thing is that now you can no longer need to worry about changing the scale parameter during export, as the values are set by the add-on. You only need to set the parameter to 1 and not think about changing it anymore.